How did Christie suspension revolutionize WWII tanks? Imagine a tank that could race across muddy fields and rocky roads with ease, then switch gears and crawl through rough terrain without breaking a sweat. That's what the Christie suspension brought to the battlefield. Developed by American engineer J. Walter Christie, this suspension system changed how tanks moved during World War II. Instead of the usual leaf spring setups, Christie used large road wheels with long travel coil springs. This design let the tank's wheels move up and down more than traditional suspensions, giving it a smoother ride and much higher speeds over uneven ground. The real magic was in the dual-mode system. Tanks with Christie suspension could run on their wheels alone at high speeds on paved roads, saving their tracks and engines. When they hit rough terrain, they could switch to their tracks for better grip. This meant tanks could travel faster on roads and still be effective off-road. The Soviet Union loved this idea and built the famous BT series tanks with Christie suspension. These tanks could reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour on wheels, which was incredible for a tank at that time. The Soviet T-30 for medium tank, which played a major role on the Eastern Front, also used a version of Christie suspension. This helped it combine speed, agility, and durability, making it one of the most effective tanks of the war. British cruiser tanks, designed for quick strikes and reconnaissance, also adopted Christie principles. They became more mobile and versatile, able to cover more ground faster than older designs. Though early Christie designs had some mechanical issues, the benefits of speed and mobility influenced tank tactics across the war. Armored units shifted from slow, heavily armored vehicles to faster, more maneuverable ones. This change allowed tanks to exploit breakthroughs, flank enemies, and adapt quickly to battlefield conditions. In the end, Christie suspension revolutionized tank design by making tanks faster and more adaptable. It turned the idea of a slow, heavily armored behemoth into a swift, agile weapon that could change the course of battles. This innovation helped shape how tanks were used throughout World War II and beyond, emphasizing speed and mobility as key elements of armored warfare.